today's look. I gotta put my belt on. And I don't think I'm gonna wear my hair like this, but yeah, I just finished makeup. Thanks guys. Happy birthday to me. Hi guys. Guess what day it is? It's the best day on earth. It's the national holiday. We're back at the stomping grounds. This is where a lot of stuff happens. Hey guys, it's the best day on earth. It's my 25th trip around the sun. So we're gonna paint just for like a little bit. Excuse me, sir, do you have any words of wisdom to share with me?
Keep doing you. Just keep that energy. Wait till next year. And every year, don't lose it.
Thank you. Okay, so wow, it is really windy. Like, chooses today to be windy on my day, the day of Venus. Let me stop. I'm being self-absorbed, but I'm literally kidding. Like, I got a round canvas from Michael's. No, Big Five. We went to Big Five. So this is the art setup. Posting less and living more. I feel it. This is my cousin, y'all. It's just so pretty.
Thank you. Oh.
We're like painting, and you already know. You already know. Yes. Okay. And then it's the birthday girl. Okay, I was going for a sunset. It's not really sunning yet.
Oh, I thought
It's not sunning just yet. So, Mikey gonna get me copyrighted with his music though. Dip well? I hope so. Thank you so much for coming, cousin.
Of course.
I appreciate you. I'm sorry it was last minute.
Oh no, I plan my days by the day. Like,
Oh,
it's fine.
great. Because I hate last minute, but I was like,
You're a planner.
I'm about to do nothing for my 25th, so I need to think of something.
Yeah.
Jeez, it's so windy. Oh my gosh, I'm struggling. Okay, how's it going, guys? Paint check-in.
It's going pretty well.
Okay. What about you, Mikey? So secretive. Okay, mine is actually doing all right. First, I can't see the. I don't know. How to, oh, there it goes. Yeah, there it goes. There you can see. Okay, show us your finished product, cause you're the only person that finished your painting in a decent amount of time.
Here it is.
Okay, what's her name? She's so lovely.
I don't know. It looks like a nose and lips, so we're just gonna call her colorful.
Colorful. Okay, I didn't get to finish mine, but here's mine. We're calling this the Lake House. Ooh, Cotton Candy Lake House.
Yeah.
This is Michael's.
She said this is.
Oh, do not take a picture.
No. Okay, you have to introduce yours because we're showing our products. Okay, so he didn't get to finish either. What is yours called?
Waves on the beach.
Waves on the beach. Okay.
Some waves coming up right here.
Okay.
Maybe some clouds too.
Thanks for painting with me,
See,
guys.
I can't paint, but I can give you ideas.
left balloons here to be inflated. It was a 2 and a 5 in like champagne pink.
New picture.
Thank you.
You have a good day.
Thank you too. You think it will fit? It's oh Lord. Oh. Well, I got my balloons.
Everything you do shows me you know it.
Make sure that my outfit is up to par. Oh, thumbnail.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you.
Just here.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. The next one. What have you learned up to this 25th day that the good Lord has protected you and watched over you and guarded you? What are your words of wisdom?